Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're gonna share with you how to make detox salad.
The salad is filled with vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. So let's go ahead and show you how we make it.
For this recipe, I will pick some dill, parsley and green onion from our garden. We will be using 3 carrots, 1 beetroot, half of a lemon, 3 garlic cloves, and our greens. We are going to use a mandoline to shred beets and carrots. Once you shred it, put it into a bowl. Mix it together. Add hot chili pepper. Squeeze half of a lemon. Chop your greens. Squeeze 3 garlic cloves. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt to your taste. And half teaspoon of black pepper. Then mix it together.
You may now serve it, but for the best results, put it into a refrigerator for 30 minutes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes just like this one, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.